Looks quite nice, honestly. Pumpkin! Hey guys! I'm back again with food again because I just finished workout. So I'm gonna have my protein. And why am I eating this so late? Because let's try it out. Maybe because like I put it in the fridge, so it looks a bit watery. Whoa, because of the vapor. Wow, 好香，好香。The egg tastes really good, and then the pumpkin, it already has like the sweetness of it. But honestly speaking, like if you add maybe like brown sugar, something like caramel, top of the egg, it would be like pumpkin will be like quite stuffy. Maybe I can leave it tomorrow morning. Not only sugar or caramel, but also cheese. Maybe next time I'll try it. I can feel my stomach slowly being filled. I really can't finish, and this is like not like almost half, but not really half. I'm full. If you like this video, please make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.